Welcome to the Excel Executive. Today, we will look at an example of a range and we will convert it into a table. Now, this example is a typical example that I've seen over the years. So someone is going to send you a file which will contain a range, not a table. And before you start any analysis, you are supposed to convert it into a table. You will see this in the future that how handy that is. So as I've told you before you start any analysis, you are supposed to convert a range into a table. So in this case, we are going to do exactly the same thing. So we see a couple of problems. First is that they have merged these cells into a single cell, which says the category name drinks, and then you have the actual category names, so juice, soda, so on and so forth. Same thing with vegetables, same thing with snacks. So first thing, what I would do is that I would first remove all of the lines that they have created manually, because if you don't do this and you convert it into a table, it starts looking really bad. So first thing I'm going to do is that I'm just going to remove it. Once that is cleared, then I'm going to align them properly, these three. So you can do this with this button there. So if you push it, you will see that they have already selected this orientation. If I click it again, it's going to look much better. Once this is done, then I'm going to select a cell, any cell within this range, and then we're going to go to Format as Table, select a color. Let's select a different color this time. It says that the range is from B2 to F10, and then my table has headers. Everything looks fine. I'm going to click OK. So here you see that it has changed it into a table. You see the tab here as well. So the next thing that you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to drag the categories down, or you can copy them. And in the future, I'm going to tell you an easier way to do this once we start working on data modeling, so on and so forth. That is going to be an advanced topic, so it's going to be a while. So right now what we can do is we can just drag it. So it's going to copy drinks here, or we can just copy and paste. And for the snacks, we can do the same thing. So once this is completed, we see that we have the price, the quantity, and the total amount. Same problem here. So this is multiplying D3 with E3, and this is multiplying D4 with E4. So I'm going to just clear it, and I'm going to use the formula in a table. So it's going to be like equals to price multiplied by quantity, and I'm going to just push enter, and then now we have a proper table. One thing you can do is that sometimes in Excel, it's not going to select the correct color once you change it into a table. So I'm going to just select the header and change the color from black to white so that it's more legible. And that's it. This is one of the examples. So in the future, if you see something like this, you can ensure that first you have to ensure that you correct everything, and then you convert it into a table before you start your analysis. So that is the end of the video. Please do all the good stuff, like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.